Hey guys, what's up? So I wanted to show you, I just moved into a new apartment a couple weeks ago, and so that's why I've been seeing a different change of scenery. I want to just kind of walk you through it real quick. It's super small. It's like 393 square feet. So my last one was like 650 or something. So this one's like a lot smaller. But check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. So it's got this cool lock here where you hold this up to it, and it scans it and you twist that. So pretty cool. So I've got a calendar here. Here's the overall the hallway. You can see it's a studio because you can see my bed already. Got a closet here. Already got some stuff in there, like some sports stuff, some jackets. I'm gonna mount this on the wall. I just haven't put that up yet. And then I'm gonna show you. So this is the bathroom, which is like half the apartment. And it's got this nice washer and dryer here. So pretty sweet. My head shaving stuff, all that stuff. So pretty sweet. And come over here. I don't know what all these are for. Like there's that one, and then that one turns on the light. But I don't know what the other two do. So anyway, I have a futon here that I've had for years. You can see it's cracking. It's faux leather. There's my bed, my desk over there, and my TV. I got one guitar there, and this is the kitchen. So you can see I don't have a dining table, like an eating table. I actually don't have a coffee table yet. I ordered it on Amazon. It's supposed to show up today. There's one of my guitars, one of my pictures. It's a little more art there. You can see obviously I like decorating with my guitars. And this is probably my favorite thing about it is I like the view. So you can see there's some mountains over there, and then when you look over this way, you can see just over that building. They're kind of covered in snow right now, so they might be a little bit hard to see, but there's some more mountains over there. So I really like that a lot. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm curious, could you live in an apartment this size? If you've got a family, it would be difficult, but if you're by yourself, maybe you could. So let me know.